Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how an AI can create even a better channel than me. Let's see what this bad boy can do. So our first prompt is this: how can I make everything? Yeah, brain rot and what should we do, guys? I think brain rot and yikes. I don't know why did I did that, but let's see what it gives us, guys. Okay bro, why is AI smirking at me like that? What is this face? Okay, bus internet core chaos sigma risk kibdi Ohio. What the actual hell? Bro, AI is brain rotted, I am telling you. AI is the most brain rotted ever I have seen. Aesthetic. Bro, AI is getting real scary. Wait, let me show you something, guys. See, you know Suno? Have you ever heard of this? This bad boy can make us full songs. Wait, let me tell you how we can do that. Wait. Create. Yeah, this song. Just listen to it, guys. Just listen. This is literally pure Indian vibe. I don't know if you guys will understand. Just listen to this.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
मेरा जूता है जापानी,
ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी.
निकल पड़े हैं खुली सड़क पर अपना सीना ताने, मंजिल कहाँ कहाँ रुकना है ऊपर वाला जाने.
ऊपर वाला जाने.
बढ़ते जाए हम सैलानी, जैसे एक दरिया तूफानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तान.
how was that, guys? I know, right? Fire as hell. So let's make a song. What should we do? You guys know this is my first video, so let's do something like intro music for my brain dead channel. Quite ironic, I know that. No worries, no worries. I know, I am very cool. What the hell? Intro music from why brain dead channel? From why? Guys, is this also brain rotted? I don't know. All AIs are becoming brain rotted. And why this is vintage? I don't know. Oh, 9 seconds. Is it me or it is sound like the from the hill, from the plain, that song? I can't say it name, so I will get brain rotted. So okay guys, that was for today. Hope you enjoyed it and bye bye.